Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 9th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, you learned about anchor tag and hyperlinks. In this tutorial, you will learn about HTML lists. So let's get started. Okay, HTML offers three ways for specifying lists. There is ordered list, unordered list, and description list. So I will start with ordered list. Ordered list use sequences to indicate the order of list elements. Let me give you an example of ordered list, and then I will give you example of unordered list and description list later on. So let me do that. Okay, this is the file that we saved last time. I will delete this one. So ordered list is started with OL tag, which stands for ordered list. Okay, I open and then close this one, and then the list item. The list item is started with li tag. Okay, li tag. So let me write something here. Let me assume that I'm listing some names. Let me put my name there, and then another one here, and then another one here. Let me put a random name here. Let me put another name here. Let me say Garluak. Let me save it. All right. So now we refresh my page, and you will see how the list will be displayed. You see here. All right. This is how ordered list displays items. As you can see, it starts with 1, 2, 3, all the way. All right. You can actually dictate which number the list should start with by using the start attribute, and then the list can keep on incrementing by 1 as usual. Let me do that. Let me say we will start our list with 0. Okay, with 0. Let me save it. You will see. All right, you can see now our list starts with 0, 1, 2, and then let me put another item here. Let me put another name. Let me put another name. You will see it will add the fourth one, as you can see here. That's all about ordered list. What about an ordered list? So an ordered list can be created with UL tag. Okay, instead of OL, it is UL tag. All right. Now let me remove this start. Okay, and then I will put UL instead of OL. Okay, the same here. I will put UL there. So when I save this and refresh my page, instead of these numbers, it will be bullet points. Let me refresh it. You can see instead of numbers, they are bullet points because it is an ordered list. All right. That's a quick example of an ordered list. And then what about description list? Okay. Description list can be created using the DL element. Okay. The DL tag defines the description list, and then the DT tag defines the term, okay, or the name, and then the DD tag describes each term. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Okay, so I will remove all this. Okay, I will say DL, open, close it. Okay, and then here I will put DT, okay, which defines the term or the name, dt. Okay, let me say coffee. Let me say coffee. Okay, let me close it. All right, now I will put the dd tag which describes each term. Okay, let me put that dd. Let me say the coffee is black and hot, right? Black and hot. Let me say that. I will close the dd. Okay, again I can put another term or a name. I can say dt. Here I will say milk. All right, I will close the dt. I will put the dd tag which describes the term, the description of the term, yeah, and dd. Okay, white, and then let me close this, save it, refresh this. You can see, right? You can see how it looks here. Let me put this one here and this one here. Okay, save. Yeah, you can see now it looks good. You can put as many as you can here. Okay, let me copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, save it. You can see, all right, the same to this one. Yeah, you can see it here. Now I think you are kind of confused here. All right, I said the description list is started with this tag. Okay, we have started it with this tag, all right, and closed the tag here. And then we used dt tag, all right, this one here, we used dt tag to define the term or to define the name of our list. All right, now we defined our list name. So the name is coffee. All right, and the children of coffee are defined using dd tag. All right, the same to this one, we define the name of our list using dt, and then the children of our list are defined with dd tag. Okay, you can duplicate this, save it. You can see. So that's all about description list. Now you can nest list. Let me show you nested list. Okay, you can list item within a list. So those one are called sub items. Let me show you how they look within an ordered list. Let me say an ordered list. Let me put here the ally tag. Okay, so this ally tag, I will close it down here. Now this ally tag, within this ally tag, I will put an ordered list in it. Okay, let me do that. UL, let me close the UL here. Let me put my sub item here, and here I will say list. Li will stand for list item, and then I will write sub item. Okay, I will close my li, save it, refresh. You can see here. Okay, you can see now this one is a sub item within a list, but the way it displays it does not explain more at all. So let me try to write something here. This is a list. You can see. So this itself is a list item, and this one is a sublist item. All right, as you can see. Let me copy this, paste it here, again, save it. You can see this one. You can actually say, okay, this one should be ordered list. Okay, instead of an ordered list, you can say, okay, I want it to be ordered list. All right, I'm going to do that. See, this one is ordered list within an ordered list. Okay, yeah, that's how it works. And this one is called nested list. Alright guys, that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn about HTML attributes. So I'll see you there.